fire first, I know. Pumping in a pot and go and bubbling in my pips. So these chicken over here are 4 weeks, my peeps. These just arrived. Catch me when you chicken them forward. I respect the YouTube, man. Give thanks for your support all the time, you know. Yeah, man. So today, some baby chicks should arrive, with some feeding. You know what I mean? Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, man. Jblacks TV. So I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna put the baby chicks. Over on this section, I'm gonna put the baby chicks. You know what I mean? I have one set over here already. These are 4 weeks old. So as soon as the chicks arrive, my peeps, I'll show you what's going on, So in the meantime, I'm gonna cook some food today, my peeps. Early morning now, my peeps, and the bird them are gonna arrive about 1 p.m. today. So I'm gonna look for some early morning food in my peeps, So we have charcoal already set up in the stove over here. So now we have the food. We have flour, white flour. We have saltfish, tin mackerel, onion and tomato. And now we now left out the cornmeal we for go mix with the white flour and my peeps. You know. Yeah, my peeps. Beautiful morning, man, Yeah, man, so I'll catch the charcoal, Kick out the food, you see it, my peeps. Stay tuned. I get that charcoal, ignite up in there, you see it, pray. One Jblacks TV, man, we're out here, outdoor cooking, Check it, my peeps. This is day 3 of me showing you guys what I do on a daily basis, On the small livestock farm, you see, pray. Yeah, man. So if you want to see more of these type of videos, give this video at least 20 likes, my peeps, and I continue the process, That is it, man. Jblacks TV, man. We're out here. Subscribe, like up the video, share up the video, Check in, my peeps. I get my hand them more sharp, so that we can need the flour, you see, pray. You know. Flour and cornmeal into this container. Yeah, man, so as soon as it's finished I get back to you guys. Fire side over here so I get active, See it, my peeps? Flour don't need none of my peeps. Yeah, so I haven't put any salt in the flour because I'm going to cook the saltfish and the flour into the same pot, my peeps. At the same time, I don't know saltfish have a lot of salt on it, my peeps. So I'm going to wash out the saltfish first before I even put it in the pot, Stay tuned. Fire side fully active now, my peeps. You know. Get on pot on fire. Water in a pot. Saltfish right here. Like, wash it off. Get off the salt off of it, my peeps. most of the salt, you know. Before we throw it in the pot where the on the floor is going to boil into. My son, look more. Son gone to school now, my peeps. Step out of the yard, I say, I tell me look more. Yes, my peeps, so as soon as the water start boil up now, chewing the flour dumping, you know. So stay tuned for that, you know, my peeps. Jblacks TV, man, we're out here. Subscribe, like up the video, share up the video, you know, auntie, sister, uncle, and cousin, brother, sister, uncle. You know the thing, go. Big up. Yes, sir. Flour dumpling in a pot of go and bubbling in my pips. Alongside with the saltfish. You know. Yes, my peeps. Outdoor cooking, you know. They are all our vibes in the morning, you know what I mean? Regular thing, man. Everyday thing, you know. They are me and cook some food, look about the animals, them, and you see, pray. That is it, my peeps. Jblacks TV, man. Subscribe to the channel. So, my peeps, as soon as the saltfish and the dumpling finish cook, yeah, man, me I go mix the saltfish with the tin mackerel, you know. So stay tuned for that, my peeps. Dumpling pot come off a fire now, my peeps. Flour done cooking now. You see, pray. So we have onion and tomato over here, so slice up already. Over here, so now we have the saltfish done clean up and pick up already. You don't know we have the tin mackerel less and we have some jerk seasoning and that. Over here, so now pot the pan fire already in the oil in a pot. You see, pray. Yeah, man, so I'll add, so we are going to throw in the natural seasoning them now, my pips. Yeah. Get them natural seasoning the fry up first, you know. Then we're going to add the saltfish, tin mackerel last, and then we spice it up with the jerk seasoning, you know. Saltfish. Now we are getting the tin mackerel, you know. Look at that, man. We're going to add a little water and then the jerk seasoning. Some water now, my peeps. Get some gravy, you know. Now, jerk seasoning to spice him up, you see, pray. You know. Check in back when it finish. Check in, my peeps. Look at that, man. Beautiful, man. So it finished now. Stay tuned now where I consume some food in my peeps. Check in, my peeps. This is it, you know. You know, this is not the end of the video, you know, my peeps. Remember, some baby chicks to deliver in the day. So we have them there to take care of afterwards, you know. The man, so we are getting our food, you know. Charleston tin mackerel and dumpling. What? What? You hear me? Catch me when you chicken them forward. Yes, my peeps, baby chicken have arrived now, you know. With the feedings. I'm in the coop now. Got a lot of rain on my peeps shortly after I finish cook, you know. Outside. Yes, my peeps, so we have to take them out of the box now. Let them get to have over here so for go and grow any time being, you know. Yeah, the pig them are going crazy. To them smell the chicken feed, you know. So I already have some clean water into this feeding pan here. Now we get some feed into the pan. Start them off with fine grain, my peeps. Now I get some aloe vera into the water. Yes, my peeps. This chicken just arrived, you know what I mean? If I make it this far in our video, my peeps, give thanks, you know. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, man. We're out here, you know what I mean? So these chicken over here are 4 weeks, my peeps. These just arrived. So we got 2 sets, you know, 4 weeks apart, my peeps. That is it. So we feed the 4 weeks chicken on big grain. You know what I mean? And then we feed the baby chicks on fine grains. Yeah man, Jblacks TV man, out here my peeps. Catch you in our next video.